Well, as you can see, I somehow survived Blizzard 2015, and I don't know how. All the desolation out here, well, there's a plow, and there's another plow. Well, I guess 2 more people survived. But aside from them, it looks like I'm the sole survivor in the county, possibly the state. Oh, there's another truck, and there's some people shoveling. But it looks like all efforts have been abandoned to removing the snow. It looks like we're just going to let the snow take over, and we will now be servants to the snow. Snow, I come before you, and I beg for your mercy. We tried to remove the snow with plows. We abandoned those efforts. Well, except for them. Shoveling was an exercise in futility. We are going to try, however, to resort to this high-tech winter apparatus. I'm told it's a snow removal apparatus. Wait, I'm being told it's called a broom. And if we really, really put our minds to it, and we pray to God for mercy and the strength to go on, it does look like this high-tech apparatus will indeed possibly remove this snow and save our souls. We'll let you know how it goes. I hope I can come back.